Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have some video files on your computer that you want to watch on your iPhone. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer them in just a few taps. Let's go. It can be hard to transfer video files from a Windows PC to an iPhone because of Apple's system, but there's a way to do it. This tool that I've discovered is a powerful, often paid software program that offers complete phone management, including easy transfer of videos. You can get it for free by visiting the link I've provided below. Once the installation is complete, launch the software on your PC. Select here More Tools from the category list in the left pane. Go to Video tab. Then find and click the Transfer feature. Use the original lightning cable to connect your iPhone to your PC. Tap Trust on your device when prompted, and enter the passcode on your iPhone to establish trust between the two. Click the drop-down button next to the Files icon at the transfer box's top left corner. Click Add Files or Add Folder to import video files individually, or add the entire folder with the clips in a single go respectively. You can also import media files by clicking the Add Files icon in the box's center. Additionally, it supports drag and drop, which allows you to drag the footage from your computer and drop it directly into the transfer box for importing. Make sure your iPhone's name is in the drop-down list at the top right corner of the transfer box. Now, click Transfer on the right side of the clip to transfer the video. Or click Transfer All in the bottom right corner to send all the videos to your iPhone at once. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.